This is Monster Restorer 91, and today I'm going to change the belt for the Bissell Power Force Helix. So basically, I was vacuuming the floor and it stopped working, and I come to find out it got one of these parts, this little clip. It's slicing the belt. So when I took it apart, I ended up finding the belt, that it snapped. So I'm gonna take it all apart. It's easy. What you do is you turn it, make sure before you work on it that it is disconnected, the vacuum, and also empty the container. You don't want dust to spray on your face. You turn it counterclockwise like that, and you just dump it out to a trash can or something. Then you put it back in. There you go. It's already in. And then this, you just put it back in. There you go. Like that. Okay, so what you do now is you lay it flat like that. Put it on the floor. Put a little stool or a table, small table. What you're gonna need is a Phillips screwdriver. That's all you need. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver like this one. So what you do is you're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 on the bottom. So it's 5 little screws, which I'll just start removing. There's a clip inside. So you start removing all these screws. Okay, so I removed the 5 screws, 4 right here, and 1 right here, the 5th one. So what you do is pop it out. There you go. See the clip right here? So you just push it in there. So there you see. So you see the belt. It snapped. Well, it must have got sliced with this little piece of metal. So there's the aftermath of what happened. But not to worry, we're gonna use this new one, put this new one in. Here's the part number. It says Bissell style 7910. Part number is 303 1120. And the new one is the same one. Bissell style 7910. Part number 303 1120. So basically it has to go, the bell has to go right here. This is where it spins. This is the motor down here. So it spins. So you just put it in here. And then you put it around this thing right here. So I'm gonna get going and take this thing out. Just slide it out. See, like that. So now you just have to play with it. Try to make it in here in the shaft where it spins. It could be a little bit of struggle and a little bit of patience to put it in there. There you go. It's already in there. the shaft. It's already in there. So you just have to go like sideways and push it in there. And then you put this one goes in here. You'll see the shape of it. It's like a kind of like an oval shape right here, or a square shape. So you have to line it up. And then the other side, you'll see it's a round one shape. And then you put in that where you slide it in. It's the round. But before you do that, you could adjust this so it could go in there. But first you have to put it around where the belt goes, right here. So it goes in here. So this one goes right here. There you go. It could be a little bit challenging because it goes by force in a way. You're stretching it, the belt. So this one it came off. So this one if you're gonna remove it, it has like a slots right here. So it goes in here, these two. So you just go like this. If it comes off, slide it between these gaps. Right here and right here. So just go like this. There you go. So now everything's all good. Make sure it's in the shaft. And make sure all this is really good, like it went in. So now there's a clip right here. So you put it right here inside. There you go. You have to hear the snap. Once it clicks in, and put in the 4 bolts. The 5 screws. The 5 screws right here and right here. And we're gonna test it out. But always be careful when you see like debris or like hard debris or sharp parts. Be careful, or else you'll have the same problem. It will snap the belt. So be careful when you're gonna snap careful when you're gonna use the vacuum not to go through like rough stuff, like sharp stuff, because it could snap. So we're gonna test it out right now. Let me just put on the screws. It's a simple fix. It's not worth buying a new vacuum just knowing what was the problem. I don't know. I believe like it's better to buy a new vacuum if the motor burns out. Maybe, as long as it's not expensive. So if it's a simple fix like the belt, then it's not even worth buying a new vacuum. Save you a couple dollars buying the belt. You could buy the belt probably like in Home Depot or Amazon or eBay. I usually like to buy more in Amazon. When it comes to parts, I buy parts for the AC when it messes up, or for the dryer or washer. I buy stuff on eBay because they're brand new and it's the same part number. Just make sure it's the same part number and fix it instead of spending more money. Something that it could be simply fixed. And you haven't seen my other videos, watch my other YouTube videos on how to repair the AC. I do a lot of repair stuff that breaks down, do maintenance on cars, on the house, anything that pretty much breaks down. So it could save you a lot of money just by watching my videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out on any of my videos, and also so you could save yourself some money on how to do it yourself, because that's all I do. I restore, fix, and this is for do it yourself. So it could save you money instead of buying something new. Some things is better to buy brand new if it's already like long gone, but if it's a simple fix that is fixable and it doesn't cost you that much to fix, then it's worth fixing than buying a new one. Okay, so now I'm done putting all the screws, so we're gonna test it out. Show you guys a little bit how, if it works. So now we know it works. It's the belt. So it's loud. Sorry, you guys were not able to hear me, but here's again the Bissell style 7, 9, 10. The part number is 303, 11, 20. So this is the thing that sliced it, the piece of metal. It sliced it, so you just have to be careful. Now it works. Now my mom could vacuum the floor without worrying it doesn't work, and then buying a new vacuum, which is not worth buying because, like I said, it's just a simple belt. I'm gonna let you guys find out how much it costs. I'm gonna check in Amazon because this one I think we bought 2 spare parts of these belts. This is a second time it snaps, and it's an easy fix. So it is the second time it snaps. So I don't remember how much it costs, but you could buy it on Amazon. I'm gonna check right now how much it costs, and I'll let you guys know how much it costs on Amazon just to buy it. Okay, I checked on Amazon. A 6-pack of these will cost you $12 only. A 6-pack. So it will come 6 of these belts. So in case it snaps, you have another one ready, you know? So $12 instead of spending money on a new vacuum, something that could be fixed. So you know when it's not working, it might be the motor, but most likely, well, yeah, it might be the motor, but most likely it has to be the belt. If it's not spinning, take it apart, check if it's the belt. So, yeah, thank you for watching my videos. Please check my other videos on how to repair stuff if you want to save money. I try to show the best content I can. So, yep, just keep checking my videos so you won't miss out. Subscribe, it helps a lot my channel. There's a lot of more videos that they're coming up, but trying to make time for it so I could edit them and put them on YouTube, because it does require a lot of work editing. So I also bought a MacBook Pro, so I'm gonna talk a little bit about that too, which it cost me $2,400. So I know I invested a little bit more than that, probably like $3,200 on like the table, on altogether like $3,000 and a lot of things. I bought a tripod, microphone, so I'll be talking about that also. So yep, don't forget to subscribe and so you can see other videos. And yep, thanks for watching.